Now I'm just going to cover the trigger wires you have coming off your monitor here. So you got 4 of them. So if you put like power to any of these, I'll show you what happens. So cam 1 is like currently the only one we have a camera on. So if I put power on that cam 1 trigger wire, you can see it goes straight up to cam 1 and it will show cam 1, and then when the power goes off, it goes back to its previous screen. So that was the cam 1 trigger wire. You just need to put a power onto there and it will trigger to that one and show that screen. It can be quite a handy feature if the screen, for example, is out of reach and you can't push your buttons on here, or it's in a commercial environment and you only want camera 1 never showing and only camera 1 showing, as a handy feature. Or if you want to trigger it, you could actually put all these to a switch, or you could have these hooked to an indicator or reverse trigger to bring up different cameras. So that's how you work the triggers there.